Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas and I want to do a Dutchpour flower. So here I am just starting off. My base coat is actually a house paint that I had for a while. It's actually flat. It's a flat paint. It has no sheen to it. It's by the Glidden, it's Glidden brand. I just picked it up at Home Depot. I had it for several months. I had it for a while, guys. So it's pretty old paint, but I did mix it up a bit. I add a bit of my Zinsser latest extender in this, and I did add some water to thin it to the way I wanted it to. I've been inspired by Ritz Gadona. She's been doing some really great blowouts. Her Dutch pours. She called them her Dutchpour blooms, and I really want to give that one a try as well. So here I am just adding the colors, and of course they will be listed in the description box below. As you guys can see, I had already put the base color. It's like a sea gloss, really matte. It's flat. That's what it says on the container that I picked up at Home Depot. It's flat, really flat, no sheen to it. So I was kind of excited to see how it's going to work with these colors, and the fact that these colors had so much gloss to it. But I want to tell you guys that the colors that I'm using, I mixed them a bit thicker because I will be spinning them out. So they're not as thin as the regular Dutchpour. They leave a mount on a mount, so that's pretty thick. They're pretty much the same consistency like if I'm doing my my flowers, my spoon swipe flowers. And then I will be pouring black pour over my artist loft mix to create some cells in with these colors here. You know, if you guys have been watching my pour cells, my pearl pour cells techniques, it's pretty much the same. I'm just gonna put the black over, just not really put it over, but just put it in the middle there, and then I will be blowing it out. What else can I say? You know, I'm pretty excited about this. You know, it's somewhat sort of doing like a bloom, but I'm not using the ingredients that you'll be using for the Shelly Art bloom. Okay, these are just the same ingredients that I use when I'm doing the puddle pour. So there's no polycrylic or anything like that. It's just the colors mixed with my ingredients, which I'll be listed in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't watched any of my pearl cell puddle pour, it's pretty much the same. It's just that I am blowing this one out and hoping to create some cells, which you guys will see if I did or not. But I am happy with this. It's just a lot of mixed feeling with this painting, and I decided to keep everything as original. There's no resin on the final result. I wanted to get you guys feedback to see what you think about it, you know, if I should leave it the way it is, because once that resin is gonna, anyways, I won't say. I just will see you guys for the close-up of the dried with the wet result and the dried result, which I will explain more in depth. All right, so don't go away, you guys. I do hope you love it, and of course, if you do, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, guys. You have to hit the bell and hit all so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I'm super excited to share this one with you. The colors, guys, look at it, it's so beautiful. I'm so in love. All right, so do stick around all the way to the end, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result, guys. Ooh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love that lines in there from the blow dry effect. Love the colors, love just the way they blended with each other. And the black helps to create some, like some depth, some definition to these lines. And I love it, I really do love it. And the spin out, oh my goodness. And I do love how those cells, I didn't get the cells I was hoping for. I thought I was going to get cells in the middle, didn't get as much, but where the black hit the colors at the end of each petals is just beautiful. It helps to create some, tiny, beautiful cells, and it seems like the petals are breaking up, the effect, like the cells are just disintegrating, and it's just amazing. I love it. I was just so amazed. I love the shape of the petals, guys, and I do love the lines in the center from the blow dryer, and I do love how the colors mix well together. I'm so in love. This is one of my favorite part here. I just love the lines. I just love how solid and beautiful the colors really look. And I do love those tiny little cells at the tip of each petals. Let me know what is your favorite part about this. And if you guys, what do you see in this painting? At first I was thinking about the 4 seasons because of the colors and how they react. And then I was thinking about a fire and ice because I see warm colors and cool colors separating from each other, but a beautiful blend. And yeah, I have mixed feelings. I don't know. I'm thinking I should just stick to my fire and ice kind of a feel because that's what I'm seeing in here. So warm, so cool. And of course, here it is, all dried and hanging on my fireplace. And guys, I hope that you're not disappointed because I'm going to be showing you something really close up. But check out the colors. Do not get distracted. The colors are beautiful. They dried amazing. And yes, there's no finish on this. No resin as yet, no varnish. I'm not sure what I want to put on here, but I love it. I just love how those cells are floating around at the tip of each petals, and it's just amazing. Kind of just give me this, amazing feeling, guys, and the warm feeling, the cool feeling, the vibrant feeling. I just love it, and I do love how solid the lines look. And yeah, let me know what you guys have to say. It's just flowing in the air. It's just beautiful, those cells happening there. I just want to show you guys quickly right here off to my left of the video. You can see some cracks in the base. I'm not sure if it's because the base coat was so old. I had it for a while. Not sure, guys, but it was house paint that I use here. I don't normally get cracks in my paint, but you know what? I do love the crack effect, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to show it to you. You've probably not seen it because it's so faint in some areas, but in another area right there, you can definitely see the cracks. Some artists do love this, and some people do love the crack effect, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to leave it the way it is. It does not affect the painting at all. The colors still remain vibrant. And yeah, if I put resin over this and I put multiple coats of resin, those cracks will, not be as visible. But if I put my varnish, it will show. So I just left it the way it is because I want to, grow. I want us to grow me to see, okay, what should I do for the final result? If I should resin it, if someone wants it resin, if someone wants it varnish, I'm just going to leave it as the way it is right now. But yeah, guys, I am in love with the total end result. Beautiful. I'm seeing like a butterfly in here as well. But anyways, guys, you are at the end of the video, and I want to say thank you so much for sticking around with me, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.